There's a new ambitious plan to turn the Salton Sea into a hub for lithium. Now, it could bring an important emerging industry right into our backyard, which means more money, more jobs. Our Nico Payne has the story.
Yeah, lithium is so vital, some are going so far to call lithium the new oil. And the possibility for huge profit is drawing investors' eyes right here to the Salton Sea. Deep beneath the Salton Sea lies geothermal activity. And nearby geothermal plants turn that heat into energy. Now the state of California, lawmakers and investors think there's a way those geothermal plants can produce something even more valuable: lithium.
We have the largest deposit on the continent of lithium minerals to be able to supply the world and its demands and needs.
We have reserves for over 35% of the worldwide lithium that is needed. So that's a huge source.
As countries set ambitious climate goals, one of the biggest things that will help reduce their carbon footprint is switching to electric vehicles.
California is trying to divorce itself from the fossil fuel energy by 2035, and they want to electrify every vehicle.
A key component of the batteries in those vehicles is lithium, making lithium and not oil a natural resource that will be in high demand in the coming years.
Right now, there's a long list of positive things related to lithium opportunities at the Salton Sea.
The conventional ways of extracting lithium use a lot of water and can be bad for the environment. But the process that would be used in the Salton Sea would be different.
It is a byproduct of the process of generating geothermal energy in our region. It's very different than the traditional mining practices that we can think of when we think of lithium in China, lithium in Chile, Australia.
With big-name investors like Michael Bloomberg and Bill Gates looking into lithium projects, lawmakers are asking for more transparency as the projects get closer to becoming a reality.
The big-name investors should tell us that this is real. They've been in the region for the last 10 years doing research and development. More recently, the Department of Energy funded a $15 million grant to one of these companies that will actually build a demonstration plant.
Another priority, making sure the economic benefit stays in the region. The eastern Coachella Valley and Imperial County have seen double-digit unemployment rates.
I've been proposing, and I would love to see this happening, opportunities, pipeline opportunities for young people to get the training, so that we don't need to bring labor from outside the area. I think it can be a game changer in the communities around the Salton Sea for many reasons.
Now, the possibility of lithium extraction would be a financial game changer, but at what cost? We'll continue following this story as we talk to local environmental justice advocates, sounding the alarm over the worsening health crisis near the Salton Sea. Reporting in studio, I'm Nico Payne.